Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy QuickBooks Online. So first is head over to quickbooks.intuit.com, and from here at the top corner of your screen, you can easily see and access the Buy Now button. All you have to do is click on it. Now from here, all you have to do is start selecting a plan. You can choose from four options. And if you scroll down, you can see here comparison for all different plans. You can see features that keeps them apart from each other. Of course, the pricier the plan is, the more features you will get. Now from the following plans, click on the choose plan button on your chosen plan. Then next you will be asked to add a payroll, but this is optional. To add a plan, click on add to plan if you plan to avail a payroll. And now on the checkout page, you will be first prompted to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Proceed by clicking on continue. That is if you already have an existing account, but if you don't, you will be prompted to sign up for a new account. Next is fill in your billing information. Start by choosing a payment method if you're planning to pay via credit or debit card or bank transfer or through PayPal. Now, if you plan to pay using your credit or debit card, of course, you're going to need to enter in your card details and, of course, your billing address and company address. And if you plan to pay via bank transfer, these are the details you're going to need to fill out. And if you plan to pay on PayPal, all you have to do is sign in to your PayPal account. So if you plan to pay via card, make sure that you tick the I authorize box. And lastly, click on the subscribe button. If you toggled the free trial for 30 days, you can enjoy QuickBooks features for free for 30 days. And after the trial is done, you have an option to continue and pay for the amount of the plans that you chose. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!